Hello beautiful people, my name's Kristin. I thank you, welcome you to the channel. Ask that if you like and want to see more of these kind of unboxings, subscribe, stick around, keep watching. I've got Fashom. I did the unboxing of the actual box on the Fashom Facebook page. So if you want to see that part, feel free to go over and check out that part. I am just going to jump right into the try-on. It is an on-demand styling service to get 5 items picked for you. What I really appreciate about Fashom is that they're very unique pieces. So it's $15 styling fee, although the first box is free, and the $15 gets applied to something. So I can almost always find something really interesting and fun. So I went ahead and put on the first piece. So this is a Les Amis dress. It has a very conservative kind of pattern of just big white florals. It's a faux wrap. The waistband is kind of that empire where it's right at the bust line. That's what I'm looking for. It is just the standard knee length, which I prefer. This is the length of dress that I really like. It's got a nice flow. The fabric is very stretchy, very comfortable. I really do like this chocolate brown color. I wasn't sure with my changing hair if this would be good, but I do like the brown. Okay, the APNY Natural Crepe Tunic. It is, how much is this one? $55. This is the most expensive item in the box. It is 100% that viscose, which I think is a rayon family. I love rayon. I know it's some maintenance to like have to steam it or get it hung if it's able to be dried, but anyway, this is just a super fun print. I always ask for kind of that nod to the 70s, and this has such a fun, beautiful colors. I love the calming greens and blues. It has this awesome neckline with the notch, and then it is tunic length. The material is gauzy and a little crepey, that lightweight, super flowy, beachy. The tunic length comes all the way below the booty. You could just wear leggings. It is, even though it's lightweight and thin, it is not sheer. I do not have a cami on underneath it, and I think that's fine. I think that totally works. So I really like this piece for being in the summer heat. It would be super cooling. The Sogo printed Elmore top for $42. It has cute button detail on both sleeves. They are actually working. It's got a dolman type of sleeve action, drop shoulder, no seam. You can see the length on it. It's definitely a unique piece. This top is by Seidel Sarl Paris. It's the straps printed short sleeve top. It's $39, and I totally love the materials. Cotton. It has these little buttons all the way down. I love the colors in the pattern. I love the tank top. How pretty, gorgeous colors. Would be lovely as we transition into fall. Put on your cardigan with it. For the piece I was most excited to try, because this is totally my colors and pattern and just crazy kind of quirkiness. It's by Chris and Carol, the chiffon print maxi dress. It's $45, so very reasonable price for a dress. It has these cute, gorgeous flutter, gauzy sleeves, and then the lining is a thin white, so it's not super hot. They're both layers are thin, that's what I'm trying to say. And it's got the V-neck, which is flattering. Love all the nice pattern. Back up and show you. The waist is more empire. My natural waist is actually down here, which actually if you're out eating or something, it's kind of nice to have the empire waist, but you can tell me what you think of it. The ruffle, you can see how it hits. I was worried it was going to be dragging the floor, but that is not the issue. I think it's a little bit longer in the back than the front. I'll have to watch the playback. The lining kind of stops at the knee. So I think it's really fun. There's not pockets in it. It's just a straight chiffon, flowy dress. That's a lot of fun. Okay, so if you don't mind giving me some feedback, some help deciding. This top, I love it. It feels great. It's beautiful colors. I love it. It just can't be for me. This kind of chocolate coffee dress, I love the style of it and the material of it. I'm gonna sleep on it, probably try it on again because that's what I do. But let me know what you think. I really, really like this. I love the colors. I love the feel of it and that it would be cooler in the summer months. I love the sleeves and the sleeve length even. Yeah, I'm really leaning towards keeping this one. This one is crazy. This one is funny. I came out and my son said that it looked like they were pouring a margarita. And I showed them the buttons and kind of did the off the shoulder and they thought that was really cool. This is the winning piece. I absolutely love the pattern. I love the colors. I love the ruffles. I love the V. I love the tie in the back. I love the length on it. I love the feel of it, the fabric of it, the lining of it. Like if I'm gonna go to dinner or go out somewhere, this isn't a date night kind of dress, but like, you know, going out with your coworkers or your friends or whatever, this would be a really fun, really, really funsy. So this is a definite yes. This piece I am absolutely 100% keeping. I appreciate you hanging out with me though, and hope that maybe you saw something to inspire you or want to order something. I do that a lot. That's how I ended up with Fashom this time. I saw a couple other pieces, they didn't have those, but I just asked for different and unique, and they delivered. So hit them up, let them see what they can find for you, and stay tuned for more videos. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Stay safe.